In this video, we're going to show how to begin collecting sources using the import or save function in a database, or how to do it manually. Using the import function, you want to look for an export or save option in the database, and specifically look for the refman or RIS file option. So here's what that looks like in JSTOR. Here's a list of results. We select some results, and on the upper right, export selected citations, export an RIS file. You may not have seen it, but very quickly it downloaded a little file to my desktop. And now in Zotero, I come to File and choose Import. Say Next, and I go to my downloads, and there's the RIS file. I open it, and I can either put them into a new collection, or I could have unlinked that top option and entered them directly into one of my existing collections. So here are the two citations I just imported from JSTOR. Now you may notice that there's no little drop-down option here, which means that the full text did not follow into Zotero. It's specific to the database, and because JSTOR has the click-through license that you have to acknowledge every time you download a PDF, those PDFs won't follow automatically with a Zotero download. So if you wanted to save the PDF full text, you would have to do it manually. So you notice, of course, that we use the import function within JSTOR, but we could also have used the Zotero connector in the upper right corner of the browser. So the fourth way to add a source is to do it manually. And this is useful if you're trying to enter a primary source or something that you did not find in a database. In your Zotero app, select whichever folder you'd like the source to appear in, and use the green circle with a plus symbol above your center pane. When you click on that, you see a quick option for several format types, but there are a lot of format types available if you go to the More option. And you can see here you can enter a citation for an email or a map or a radio broadcast, all kinds of things that you might want to just enter by hand. And it's important to choose the format type that most closely matches the source that you want to enter into Zotero, because by choosing the format type, it's going to adjust the fields that are available to you to suit the ones that are most likely to be needed for that type of format. And you can change your option at the top. So if I say, instead of TV broadcast, I want a patent, notice that the options, now the fields are different. And to enter, you simply start typing. And you enter all the information by hand, and when you're done, you can just click anywhere and it'll save your results. And that's how easy it is to either use the export functions within a database or to enter an item by hand.